Welcome to Who Digs. Today we're going to look at this Intex pool pump C1000 purchased from Amazon. If you own one of these inflatable pools, you're going to need yourself a pump. I did have an original pump with this, unfortunately after a couple of years it died, so I had to buy this replacement. If you like this video, please subscribe. More subscribers, the more videos I can make. What we're going to do, we're going to open this really carefully. Got quite a sharp knife, don't want to go cutting through any pipes and bits and pieces within the box. Once we've got that box open, there's a number of items within the box. First one, instructions. We won't need those. Secondly, we've got two lengths of 2 metre pipe. With this pipe you will need to cut it in half, but it depends on how far away your pump is from the main pool. Also within there we've got a whole bag with all the fixings, filters, bungs and all of those different items. Also contained within the box is the pump itself. This pump is almost twice the size of the original pump that came with it, so it should be able to pump a lot more water. Also at the bottom of the box, a couple more fittings. With this hose, it's going to fit onto the two areas on the pool. There should be two little holes just like this, labelled A and then labelled B as well, just on the other side there. Everything that you've got in the box is all laid out in front of you. So we've got clips, filters, hoses, all of those different items. These will all need to be assembled when they go into the pool. What we also have here is a little filter that goes on the outside that aerates the pool, so it's going to blow lots of oxygen into that pool to try and keep it fresher for longer. Next, we're going to need to attach the hose onto the main pump. There's two little black O-rings, just need to slide that tube just over the O-ring. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult, but other times it should just slide straight on. There we go. So with this, there's some clips. They're going to go round the pipe. This is going to make sure that that is nice and secure to that pump. Once we've done that one, we're then going to attach the other pipe to the top. This one here, gone on a lot easier than the other one. Just spin it around a little bit, make sure that is on nice and tight, and then we're going to attach that other clip just to the top one. If we unscrew the top here, just undo that little black ring. Inside, you should be able to find your filter cartridge. This will need cleaning roughly every week. I'd usually just hose mine off, get all the nice black bits of grime out of there, and then pop that filter back in. So a little check in there, make sure nothing else was loose inside. Pop the top back on, and then screw it back on, nice and tight. When you position your pump, you're going to need to put it close to where you've got a power source. With these hoses, I haven't bothered cutting them yet, but I will do in the future. So I'm just putting the aerator just on the outside. I'll sped this up a little bit, just so it doesn't take too long to watch. Stick it onto the hose, get that little clamp, screw it on. That's one of them on. Just inside, I'm going to attach that fastener I have put a bung in just so the water doesn't rush into the tube first of all. I'll keep that bung in until I've connected all of the pipes up. So that's one side connected. Come around to side B. Again, I've got a bung just inside that rubber inlet, just so the water doesn't come out. I'm going to attach the hose to it. I'm going to put my filter just on the inside. Squeeze that on just in there. So it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to put that little clamp just on the outside, just to keep it all together, just so it doesn't all fall out. Now we have the pipes connected. What we're going to need to do is take the bungs out and let the water flow into those pipes. Again, my pipes are going to be a lot shorter than this. So just wiggling it, you can see the water starting to go into the pipes. Unfortunately with gravity it's not working with my pump situated up the top there. So I'll just drop it down a little bit. There's a little screw on the top as well, you just need to loosen that off. That just lets all the air out of the system. Once all the air's out of that system, we can do it up. At this point I have turned the pump on as well, so water is starting to run through the pump and it's working. As you can see, lovely bubbles, and hopefully we'll have a nice clean pool. Thanks for watching.